Hello and welcome back to another episode of Keeping Up with the Academics. We're back with our favorite teacher Sukeina. She's giving us a step-by-step breakdown on how the Twenix application process really works. Hi everyone, wow, it's so good to be back. Thank you for having me again. Talk us through the whole process. What do we do to take a shot at being part of the winning community of teachers? You're going to find the Twenix website and then click on the Start Application prompt. This will bring up a form that asks you for your personal details and any relevant experience or skills. And after you fill that form out, you're going to play a little bit of a waiting game. If you pass that first step, you're going to get an email with instructions for the next round. And in this next round, you are tasked with video tasks that require you to demonstrate your teaching approach and personality. And it also tests if you're able to blend the Twenix methodology into your approach. So what you're going to do here is you're going to pretend you're having an actual lesson and speaking to an actual student in the camera. So, make it fun, make it engaging, make it interactive, and just add your own flavor. But always remember to follow the instructions and stick to the methodology. Ooh, that sounds like a real challenge, huh? It's not complicated, especially because you receive tips and tricks in this information pack that comes with the instructions for the video tasks. Phew, that's helpful, right? So if you're successful in this round, what happens next? Well, you're going to play the waiting game again for about 2 weeks. And when you get your confirmation email, yay, you'll move on to our training phase. We have a special onboarding course that teaches you how the platform works, what to expect, and even tips and tricks on how to become a 5-star teacher. Well, folks, it turns out we tuned into a masterclass today. Thank you so much, teacher Sukeina, and good luck to everyone out there applying. Stay tuned for more tips from the best rated teachers out there. Until then, toodles!